a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 423, effective until 09 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Cass and Hubbard. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.